Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Ebonique Luxe. Welcome back. If you're new here, I am a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content creator, and I'm also a mom. So if that sounds like your zhuzh, your cup of tea, your glass of wine, hit that subscribe button below. Okay, so now that you've hit that subscribe button, you done joined the squad. Let's go ahead and get this congratulations out the way. So congratulations, boo. Let's sip. Okay, because I told you to get your wine. Did you get your wine? Okay. Boom. Cheers to you, boo. So, congratulations on deciding to start a YouTube channel in 2023. Starting a YouTube channel as a mom in her 30s in 2023, it can sound a bit crazy, but it's also very exciting and rewarding. But it also can come with challenges. So I put together a list of 6 key things that I think you need to have a successful channel in 2023. So the first thing you want to do is come up with a topic for your channel. You want to think about what type of content you want to create and the topics that interest you. So basically what I did was, I have always been obsessed with the beauty industry. So when I started out watching YouTube just as a consumer, I was always watching any type of beauty videos, hair videos, makeup videos, how to do different things with your hair, how to, install a wig, how to dye your bundle, things like that. But I also loved, fashion type of things, and I also love the vlogging. I know vlogging is a big deal. Becoming a content creator, a lot of people are going after the vlogging channels, but that's something that naturally I love. Like, I love watching Aaliyah's face. I love watching Kyra. I love watching their vlogs and just seeing like what they're getting into in Atlanta, being that I'm in Atlanta too. Baby, give me the scoop. Tell me where the spots is, okay? I be looking for the little places to be at. So basically what I did with my channel is I decided to become the niche. I did not want to be stuck making a particular kind of video, through this whole journey. That's just not something that I wanted to do. I wanted to have a variety of things that girls would come to my page and look to me for. That is why I do the hair videos, I do the makeup videos, and I do the vlogs. I want people to just really get a glimpse in my life and see, girl, what's tea, basically, So that's another option as well. You can become the niche, or you can actually figure out a specific thing that you want your channel to be about and stick to that. All right, number 2, we coming in hot. The next thing you want to do is pick a channel name. This channel name should be something unique and memorable to you so that your followers and your subscribers can easily find you. So let's take these girls for instance. We have Untitled, we have Lily Yours Truly, we have Aaliyah's Face, we have Kyra, I'm Unique. All these channels, for me, and I'm sure for their followers, when you hear their name, you know who that is, you know the face, and you know what their channel is about. You know what that type of person, what they're giving. So it's very important to have something unique and something memorable. Don't make it something too long like, John Jacob Jingleheimer Smith. Like, that's, you don't want it to be too long. People ain't gonna remember that. You want something quick and catchy. Like, if you wanted to start a makeup channel, like say you're a MUA and you wanted to start a makeup channel and your name is Debbie, you could, your channel name can be Debbie Beats Faces. That way everybody know, oh, there is a channel like that. Ain't it called, what's she called? Beats by Deb, or whatever. We Debbie Beats Faces, and then when people come to your channel, they're gonna know what they're looking at. We're looking at makeup, because she's out here beating faces. So definitely keep it short, simple, and cute. All right, y'all, let's take a little sip of this wine because we is moving through here, okay? So the third thing we're gonna be getting into is the content, baby. This is, I don't know, this is the part I feel like it's easy because, hell, I be talking to myself at the house all the time. So you just want to get into the motion of creating your content. Just get out here and do it, babe. Just start recording. If you knew how many takes I be doing, it's not like you're gonna set up and you're gonna be getting it one take. No, baby. Just know you're gonna be putting some hours into this, okay? Unless you like that, baby. If you like that, go ahead. But me, I be having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 takes, okay? I be messing up my words, I be stuttering, I be forgetting what I'm gonna say. Child, the best suggestion I can give on that is just start shooting the content. Just start doing it. Get familiar with your camera, get familiar with talking, and just putting yourself out there, okay? And I know a lot of times we use the excuse of we don't have the right equipment, we don't have this, we don't have that. Get your iPhone. Get your iPhone. As much as possible, shoot with the back camera, but sometimes you can shoot with the front camera. Front camera just fine. This is front camera right here. Get you a little ring light, some sort of lighting situation going on. Those aren't even that expensive. And keep your phone charged. You in there like swimwear. That's all you need. And then iMovie comes with your iPhone. That's how you edit it. I still use iMovie. I have not upgraded. Your girl's using iMovie. It's lit. Oh, and then sometimes I might go in Canva. Okay, I might little dabble in Canva too. So look, and those ain't even on the list. I done gave y'all 2 extra jewels. Okay, I'm just dropping jewels. Okay, so number 4, honey, you're gonna have to go outside. So if you're a homebody like me, get it together. Also, if you're an introvert like me, again, get it together. Do what you need to do. If you need to take a little pop. If you need to get look. But do whatever you need to do, because for number 4, baby, you're gonna have to network. Okay? You're gonna have to get out in the field, okay, baby? You're gonna have to stop being on the phone and get in the field, okay? So any type of network events in your city, or if you see something, join some Facebook groups. It's really good to get out there and connect with other creators. This could boost your subscribers and boost your presence, so other people can see you as well. Other people can, kind of fill out, oh, what type of content she creating, what's she doing? Oh, and then maybe, girl, y'all can link up, create content together. You never know what can happen out of that. So it's always good to network, make friends, be nice, girl. It ain't that hard. It's enough out here for all of us. So just get out there and, like I said, girl, make some friends, girl. All right, number 5, y'all. We almost getting to the end. Y'all with me? Y'all with me or what? Okay. So for number 5, I would say it's fairly easy. It's a lot easier than the previous steps, because this is after all the work is done. So pretty much for number 5, what you want to do is promote your channel, honey. Promote your channel on all your other social media platforms. So on your TikTok, your Instagram, your Twitter, honey. If you got a Twitch, put it on there. What do you call that? Pinterest. Just promote your channel to the fullest. I join a lot. I'm talking about 40 plus Facebook groups, and every time I put a video out, I'm shooting it over there too, and I'm putting my hashtags on it. Use your hashtags for Facebook. And then also I'm going to TikTok, and I'm making a short little 3-minute to 1 to 3 minute TikTok video on my latest video, letting them know, subscribe as well. Same thing over there. Put it on a trending sound, put you some good hashtags on there, and promote. Nobody's gonna promote your channel harder than you. So that is number 5, and like I said, I feel like it's pretty easy because it's really after all the work is done. You're doing a lot of copying, pasting. Spend you an hour a day promoting your channel, honey. All right, so for number 6 and the final step, what you're gonna do is analyze your channel. Go to your analytics, see what videos are doing what. I would say check your analytics after you've had about maybe 5 to 10 videos. After you've had about 5 to 10 videos up, then you want to go in your analytics and you want to say, hey, what videos are doing really well, what videos aren't doing that well, and go in and see, what did I do in the description? What type of hashtags did I use? What type of content was this? And then you can also go in and see, like, how far did the viewers watch? When did they stop watching? Things like that. That way you can say, hey, oh, I did this type of video and it got 10,000 views, but I made this type of video and it only got 100 views. Then you kind of know I need to kind of make more stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? So analyze your channel, figure out what your audience is really looking for and kind of mold your channel towards that. All right, y'all. By following these simple 6 steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful YouTube channel in 2023 as a mom in her 30s. If this video helped you on becoming the content creator you want to be in 2023, leave me a comment below. Tell me how you did. Leave me any questions you have below. I'm an open book. I do not mind answering any questions. Go ahead and just drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I don't gatekeep, baby. I will let y'all know the real tea. As a content creator who's been trying to do this for 3 years, baby, I'm gonna tell you like it is. I'm not, and that's one thing I do want to explicitly explain. Me and the person I am, and the content that I want to create and the following that I want to build, I will never charge y'all for any tips. I'm never gonna make any type of courses on how to grow a YouTube channel. I'm not gonna do that. Just from my own experience, honey, they ain't worth a penny. But anyway, we're not gonna get into that in this video. That's not why we're here. That's not what we do. We're not gonna do that. All right, so we are at the end of this video. Like I said, if you enjoyed this, comment, give me a like below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are starting your channel in 2023, mama, good luck. Again, congratulations. I want to give you a round of applause now, right now, okay? Because it's a big step. It's a new experience. It's a journey that you've never been on, and honey, it's not for the weak. Please believe me, it's not for the weak. So, like I said, ask me your questions if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.